function of the system is given and asking that the given system is FIR or IR filter and it is a linear phase or non-linear phase filter. Okay, to find whether it is IR or FIR, first to find the impulse response of the system. We know that H of Z is equals to sigma n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity H of n Z power minus n. Compare these two equations, then we are going to get impulse response samples as H of 0 equal to 1, H of 1 equal to 2, H of 2 equal to 2 and H of 3 equal to 1. Then I can write impulse response as H of n equals to 1 comma 2 comma 2 comma 1. Observe that here impulse response consists of finite samples. If impulse response consists of finite samples, then this filter is FIR filter. FIR filter, finite impulse response filter. And one more bit is asking that whether it is a linear phase filter or non-linear phase filter. The condition for linear phase filter is H of n is equals to H of capital N minus 1 minus small n, or H of n is equals to minus H of n minus 1 minus small n, where capital N is the length of the filter. So the length of the filter is here 4. Let us substitute H of n is equals to H of 4 minus 1 3 minus n. So if I substitute n is equals to 0, H of n equals to H of 3. If I substitute n equal to 1, H of 1 equals to H of 2. See that H of 0 equals to H of 3. Is it equal? Yes, H of 0 and H of 3 are equal. And H of 1, H of 2 are equal. H of 1 and H of 2 are equal. So this filter is satisfying the linear phase condition. So the given filter is a linear phase filter. So what is the right answer is FIR filter and it is consisting of linear phase. So the answer is A. A is the right answer. Okay. So the question is, the DFT of the sequence X of n is X of k as alpha, beta, gamma, delta. This is the DFT of X of n. So what is the value of alpha plus delta by 2? Okay. So to find this value, first to find the DFT of the given sequence. The formula to calculate the DFT of the given sequence is this one, X of k equals to n equal to 0 to n minus 1, X of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into nk, where k is ranging from n minus 1, 0 to n minus 1. So n value, capital N value not mentioned in the problem. If it is not mentioned in the problem, you have to take it as it is equal to length of the input sequence. So what is the length of the input sequence is 4. So you have to take capital N equal to 4. So if any n value given in the problem, you have to take that value. No value is given, so I have to take n value as length of the input sequence. So substitute X of k is equals to sigma n equal to 0 to 3 X of n e power minus j 2 pi by 4 into n into k, where k is ranging from 0 to 3. So first to substitute k is equals to 0, we are going to get first sample, k equals to 1 second sample, k equals to 2 third sample, k equals to 3 fourth sample. Okay. So then the DFT of the above sequence is X of k is equals to 8 comma minus 2 plus 4j comma 4 comma minus 2 minus 4j. This is the DFT of the given sequence X of n. So now we require the value of beta plus delta by 2. Beta is a second sample. So what is beta? minus 2 plus 4j. What is delta fourth sample? Minus 2 minus 4j. Beta plus delta by 2 is equals to minus 2 plus 4j, minus 2 minus 4j by 2. 4j cancel. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. This is the answer. The question is the DFT of the sequence x of n is given as capital X of k and few values of x of k are given. X of 0 is equals to 20, x of 4 equals to 0. Then asking the value of 2a minus b. How to calculate 2 into a minus b value? Okay. So for that first you have to calculate capital A value and capital B value from the given x of 0 and x of 4. First the expression for calculating the DFT of a sequence is x of k is equals to this one. N equals to 0 to n minus 1 x of n e power minus j 2 pi by n into nk, where k is ranging from 0 to n minus 1. Capital N value is not given. In that situation you have to take capital N value is equals to length of the input sequence. Length of the input sequence given as 8. So n equal to 8. Next, first substitute k is equals to 0 in this equation. X of 0 equals to n equals to 0 to 7 x of n. Okay, this what is the meaning of the sequence is add all the values in x of n. If I add all the values in the x of n like this, then the value is a plus b plus 27. But this value is given as 20. A plus b plus 27 equals to 20. From this a plus b equal to minus 7. This is first equation. Next, capital X of 4 value is given. So let us substitute k is equals to 4 in this equation. If I substitute k equals to 4, minus j 2 pi by 8 into n into 4. If I simplify this, x of n into e power minus j pi n. Let us expand this equation. X of 0 minus x of 1 plus x of 2 minus x of 3 plus x of 4 minus x of 5 plus x of 6 minus x of 7. Substitute all the values of x of n in this equation. Then x of 4 equal to a minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus b. If I simplify this, a minus b plus 3. But this value given us in the problem as 0. A minus b equal to minus 3. So a minus b is equals to minus 3. This is second equation. This is first equation. From this obtain the value of a and b. If you solve this, you are going to get a equal to minus 5, b is equals to minus 2. Now in the problem, the value asking is 2a minus b. 2 into minus 5 plus 2. You are going to get minus 8. The answer is minus 8 is the answer. The question given in the system is, this is the impulse response of a discrete time system is given. What is this is h of n is 1 by 2 whole power n by 2 for n equals to 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 up to so on, and equals to 0 elsewhere. Then asking the poles of the transfer function. Okay, transfer function h of z is equals to, it is a z transform of h of n, minus infinity to plus infinity h of n z power minus n. Substitute h of n in this equation. First to substitute n equals to 0. 1 by 2 whole power 0 is 1, z power 0 is 1. 1 plus n equals to 1, it is 0. N equals to 2, substitute 2 by 2, it is 1. 1 by 2 z power minus 2 plus substitute n equal to 4. If I substitute n equals to 4, 1 by 4 z power minus 4, n equals to 6, 1 by 8 z power minus 6 up to so on. This is the transfer function of the given system. Okay, it is in geometric progression. So what is the value of this is h of z is equals to a by 1 minus r. So 1 by 1 minus z power minus 2, this is equals to z square by z square minus 1 by 2. We know that denominator roots are called poles. So what are the denominator roots? Z square minus 1 by 2 is equals to 0. Z is equals to plus or minus 1 by root 2. So the poles of the given system are plus 1 by root 2 and minus 1 by root 2. The answer is A. Okay. The question is, a system described by this difference equation. Y of n equal to 0.2 x of n minus 0.5 x of n minus 2 plus 0.4 x of n minus 3. And the input applied to this system is minus 1 comma 1 comma 0 comma minus 1. And the output of the system is y of n. And the question is, what is the value of output at n equal to 2? Okay. So first to apply Z transform to the given equation. So y of z is equals to 0.2 x of n. From time shifting property, the Z transform of x of n minus 2 is z power minus 2 x of z plus 0.4 z power minus 3 into x of z. And y of z is equals to 0.2 minus 0.5 z power minus 2 plus 0.4 z power minus 3 into x of z. X of z is the Z transform of x of n. So x of z is equals to sigma n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity x of n z power minus n. Then minus 1 plus z inverse minus z power minus 3. Let us substitute this x of z in above equation. Then y of z is equals to 0.2 minus 0.5 z power minus 2 plus 0.4 z power minus 3 into minus 1 plus z inverse minus z power minus 3. Multiply and simplify this y of z. You are going to get the values as minus 2 plus 0.22 z inverse plus 0.25 z power minus 2 minus 1.21 z power minus 3 plus 0.24 z power minus 4 plus 0.25 z power minus 5 minus 0.24 z power minus 6. Now I require the value of y of 2. So y of z is equals to sigma n equal to minus infinity to plus infinity y of n z power minus n. At n equal to 2, the coefficient of y of n is z power minus 2. You observe what is the coefficient of z power minus 2 here? 0.5. So the answer is y of 2 is equals to 0.5. This is the answer.